What's up guys, just got my truck back and look at this mess. So as soon as you discover a mess like this, you want to make sure you take care of it right away because you don't know if it's going to stay permanent or it just, look, it looks nasty. It just doesn't look good. This is my truck. I want to make sure it stays clean. So normally how I will take care of this problem, I'll bring out my bottle of nonsense or a little bit of degreaser or even brushes or even towels. But guess what? I'm in an empty parking lot and I don't have access to any of that stuff. But guess what I do have access to is the new nonsense wipes. So you don't need a brush. All you need is a wipey.
Is it a wipey?
A wipey? I know.
You call it a wipey?
As of today, we just released a new Nonsense Super Cleaner wipes. These wipes are gonna go ahead and tackle anything. These wipes are so tough that you can use it on your engine bay. Let me show you how. Look how tough these are, and I'm pretty strong. So if you notice it has all this texture on there, it's gonna help you scrub the surface and it's gonna pick up all that dirt and grime. Nonsense works so well, so I know these wipes are gonna go ahead and tackle this. Look at all this clean foam. It's like if you had a bottle and a brush. This is the before side and this is the after. The good thing about using an all-purpose cleaner is you can use it on anything. So on this oil stains, on the battery, on this plastic, all over here where the dirt and grime is. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all these spots up. I'm gonna show you guys the after result. The beauty of having flexible wipes like this, you can go ahead and fold it down and go ahead and floss the surface like this. So you can get that dirt and grime under the cap, all over that area right there. And just like that, look at that. Look at all that dirt and grime. Not only does it work amazing on just your engine bay, it works good on your running boards, your tonneau cover, your door handles, your bumpers, your trim, your steering wheel, your seats, your plastic, your interior trim, virtually everything.
One more time.
So just like that, you've seen how easy it was to clean everything with these nonsense wipes. If you like these, go ahead and check out our other ones. We have Total Interior Wipes, Leather Quick Detailer Wipes, and VRP Wipes. You can get this in the description below, 𝘃𝗵𝗏guys.com, or your local detail garage. Subscribe for more helpful tips. We'll see you on the next one. Bye, peace.